As you can see, all this flyer you are seeing here, all this one was generated by AI. All this one here, and this one, all this one like this are generated by the AI. So how can you generate this particular? Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to show us how we can start generating a flyer and make money with it. How we can start creating a flyer with AI and start making cool money with it. So that's what I'm going to show us today. If you're first time here, please subscribe to this channel and share this particular video to your friends so that YouTube can share this video to many people. So in today's video, I'm just going to show us how we can start using our AI. As you can see, all this flyer you are seeing here, all this one was generated by AI. All this one here, and this one, all this one like this are generated by the AI. So how can you generate this particular flyer? Like this one now, just like a peace and love flyer that I designed for someone. So you too can also design the same flyer and start generating an income. You can make a lot of money with this particular update I'm about to show us, only if you know how to monetize your skills, because you need to know how to monetize your skill before you can jump into this particular update. So just try your best to watch this video from A to Z, from beginning to the end, so that you will know how to. The first you need to do is to generate the prompts. After generating the prompts, you now take your prompt to AI Studio to generate this flyer for you. So, but how can you generate your flyer? Let's assume in this particular flyer here, you want to redesign this particular flyer here. What you need to do is, like, you will firstly need to make ChatGPT as a friend. Talk to her like you are talking to someone, like you are planning to design a particular something. So ChatGPT should give you so idea. So what you just need to do is, like, let's assume now you want to design this particular flyer you are seeing in this on your screen now. So you just need to what you need to do now is, you firstly go to, let's assume you don't have any idea at all. You don't have any idea on how to design a flyer or whatsoever, and you need a sample. Where can you find a sample? You just need to head over to Google. Firstly, go to Google, go and look for any flyer. Maybe just go to Google and search, like maybe you are looking for wedding flyer. Like, you can just go to Google and search luxury. As you can see, I've already searched this one before. You can see luxury birthday flyer design. So you just search on it like this. So once you search on it, look for the one that is perfect, that you like this one or this one. You can just select anyone. Let's say we select this one. Maybe a female gender is the one that gave you the work to design for her. So you just need to select this one. Make sure you download this particular one. Long press it and download the image on your phone. Once you download the image has already been downloaded. Then what you need to do now is just to just head over to your ChatGPT. Just follow this step. You head over to your ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. These are the work I've done before, like it. But I just want to show us how we can also do the same thing. So we need to click on new chat. So we'll now upload the new downloaded one. I've already run out of my. What we just need to do is just upload that same image that we downloaded from Google. As you can see here, I gave ChatGPT to analyze this particular flyer for me. ChatGPT to analyze this particular flyer for me, and she did it. She explained every data was inside this particular flyer here. She explained it thoroughly. So after she explained it finished, I now asked her to give me a prompt. Look at where I write. Look at this place. I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to redesign the same flyer. So after I give ChatGPT this command now, look at what the ChatGPT gave me. These are what the ChatGPT gave me. So after this, I just need to copy this particular prompt here. You select, then you copy this prompt here. You copy all these prompts from A to done. From A to Z. So after I copy this, you don't need to. You can copy this keyword also. After I copy all this one now, you just need to head over to your what's it called? AI Studio. Look at it here. You just need to type aistudio.google.com. So if you look at this prompt very well, the only thing I change in this prompt is the title. Look at it here. I changed the title from Peace and Love to Fire Base. If you look at it here, to Fire Base Saloon. So that's just the only thing I changed, and I changed this the WhatsApp number and also the phone number. Then I changed the location to my own personal location. So after that, I send the command to this another AI here. Then look at look at the results they gave me. What's the difference? There's not any difference there, as you can see. Even the one I generated now here is even it looks so luxurious more than the one I copied. Look at it here. So this is my final result here. These are the final results. So that's how you create your own personal flyer. So after you know how to create your own personal flyer, how can you make money with this particular update? In my next video, I'm going to show us how we can generate an income with this particular thing. But the first thing you need to understand is that if you don't have any idea before, what you just need is look for the sample. You need a sample. You need a flyer sample to regenerate. Like now, as I show you now, you first need to head over to Google, search for luxury flyers, maybe either beach, wedding, birthday, or naming ceremony, anything. You can just go to Google and search. Once you search, Google is going to list different picture for you. What you just need to do is just to select one and go and recreate it. Go and give it to ChatGPT to analyze it, to analyze the picture for you. After the analysis, ask ChatGPT to give you the same, to give you prompt to redesign that particular flyer for you. That's why it is.